Hi everyone! Today we're going to explore a butterfly's life cycle in detail, including all 4 stages of life, through digital storytelling. All butterflies have to complete metamorphosis. Metamorphosis means transformation or change in shape. To grow into an adult, they go through 4 stages: egg, larva, chrysalis, and then finally a butterfly. Each stage has a different goal depending on the type of butterfly. The life cycle of a butterfly can take place anywhere from 1 month to a whole year. The first stage of a butterfly's life cycle is the egg. Eggs are laid on plants by the adult female butterfly. These plants will then become the food for the hatching caterpillars. Eggs can be laid from spring, summer, or fall. This depends on the species of butterflies. Females lay a lot of eggs at once so that at least some of them will survive. The coolest thing about butterfly eggs is that if you look close enough, you can actually see the tiny caterpillar growing inside of them. Some butterfly eggs may be round, some oval, and some may be ribbed, while others may have other features. The egg shape depends on the type of butterfly that laid the egg. When the egg finally hatches, most of you would expect for a butterfly to emerge, right? Well, not exactly. The next stage is the larva or a caterpillar. Caterpillars do not stay in this stage for very long, and mostly in this stage all they do is eat. Caterpillars need to eat and eat so they can grow quickly. As the caterpillar grows, it splits its skin and sheds it about 4 or 5 times. Food eaten at this time is stored and used later as an adult. Caterpillars can grow 100 times their size during this stage. For example, a monarch butterfly egg is the size of a pinhead, and the caterpillar that hatches from the tiny egg isn't much bigger, but it'll grow up to 2 inches long in several weeks. As soon as the caterpillar is done growing and they have reached their full length and weight, they form themselves into a pupa, also known as a chrysalis. From the outside of the pupa, it looks as if the caterpillar may just be resting, but the inside is where all the action is. Inside the pupa, the caterpillar is rapidly changing. Within the chrysalis, the old body parts of the caterpillar are undergoing a remarkable transformation called metamorphosis to become the beautiful parts that make up the butterfly that will emerge. Special cells that were present in the larva are now growing rapidly. They will become the legs, wings, and eyes and other parts of the adult butterfly. This stage can last from a few weeks, a month, or even longer. Some species have a pupal stage that lasts for 2 years. The fourth and final stage is what most people think of when they think about butterflies. When the butterfly first emerges from the chrysalis, both of the wings are going to be soft and folded against its body. This is because the butterfly had to fit all of its new body parts inside of the pupa. The adult butterfly now has long legs, long antennas, and compound eyes. As soon as the butterfly has rested after coming out of the chrysalis, it will pump blood into the wings in order to get them to work and flap. Then they will get to fly. The adult's job is to mate and lay eggs. Most adult butterflies live only 1 or 2 weeks, but some species hibernate during the winter and may live several months. After learning about the butterfly's life cycle through digital storytelling, I want you to build your own digital story. Good luck and have fun!